I'm here in Las Vegas on a short 4-day trip testing out the new smaller version of the Air City Pack Pro 2, which fits under the seat perfectly on an airline as a personal item. Many of you have probably seen my last video on the updated Travel Pack 35, that bag, as well as the original 24-liter City Pack Pro, and now this smaller 20-liter update are all slight variations on a similar core design with some slight size and design differences. These smaller size versions I think work great as tech-centered backpacks, lots of great small gear organization, but also with a full opening main panel, also lets you use this as a small personal item for short trips like I'm doing right now. As far as design updates go between the 24-liter and the 20-liter that I have here, there's not a lot of updates, but I'll just go over a few of the major changes. With really the biggest change here is they got rid of one of the side pockets and replaced it with this small zipper pocket. Move that little key leash chain over here onto the other side. There's a very minor update in this top K handle. You can see instead of the padding going all the way to the edge, they crimp it off here. So it's a little bit looser and I think maybe just slightly easier to carry. But really the biggest change here is obviously just the size. 20 liters, this is the smallest version they have of the City Pack Pro 2. So while I'm here in Vegas using this as a personal item, I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you what I packed so you can see how much you can fit in this bag. Starting with these front pockets and working in, these are quite a bit larger and they hold a lot more than you think they would. And because we do have limited capacity in the main compartment, I centered a lot of my larger, bulkier tech gear in these front pockets. This bigger bottom pocket here, I put toiletry bag, little Matador pill bottle, battery, and my headphones. Top pocket, some other bulky electronic gear that I wanted easy access to, charger, cord, action cam, and then the tripod, and the camera of my DJI gimbal. Moving to the interior of the main compartment, I'm using a Tortuga packing cube here because I don't have the Air ones for whatever reason, but managed to fit all my clothes except for what I'm wearing. Basically 4 days total, so I have 3 sets of clothes in here. 1 button-up t-shirt, 1 pair of pants, 3 t-shirts, 3 underwear, 3 socks. And I can't show you right here because I'm using the tripod and the camera, but I have the camera gear, Sony A7C, and the microphone, which you're looking at right now, is all packed into this small packing cube. And then the tripod I just stuck over here in the corner of the bag. So here's the tripod camera setup that I'm using right now. I'm just taking this video with my phone. This is the Ulanzi Photo Pro carbon fiber. This thing is really solid. I'm really liking it so far. Great setup for travel, very lightweight, packs down really small. And then just here's some overview videos of all the camera gear that I have with me that's packed into these cubes. And then so you can see what it looks like when it's packed into the main bag. The head on the tripod is a little bit long to fit in this smaller 20-liter bag. So I did have to just unscrew that, tuck it into small space below. But other than that, it really fits perfectly. And then just a few other items in these back pockets. A pair of sunglasses in this top little slash pocket here. This thing is really small, so you can't fit a whole lot more than sunglasses. A little 14-inch laptop. Mouse pad in these back laptop sleeves. And then a water bottle clipped to this clip up here. Little night ice carabiner tucked in this outside pocket. Kind of my only beef with this bag, these side water bottle pockets are just really small. I don't like how they got rid of one of them. With a small bag like this, it's nice to have a lot of little bit extra space on the outside. Probably could have put my tripod in if they had that second water bottle. I'll test that on the larger bag when I get back. But really just the usefulness of these is kind of limited to just really small items or small water bottles like this. So that's all I have for this short kind of packing demo and overview of the new smaller 20-liter size of the Air City Pack Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.